Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if your iPhone's alarm sound is too quiet and you are having trouble hearing it. So the first thing you need to do is open the settings app. Now in this menu, scroll down and tap on sounds and haptics. Here make sure the alert slider is turned all the way up. So this is the slider that controls the iPhone's alarm volume as well. So you'll need to make sure this is turned all the way up. Now go back to the previous menu. Now tap on accessibility. In this menu, tap on Face ID and attention. Now turn off this attention aware features. So for some reason, if this is turned on, your iPhone's alarm sound may reduce automatically. So make sure this is turned off. If your problem persists even after this, my last suggestion would be to check for any pending software updates. So if there is an issue with the current iOS build on your iPhone, you may experience this problem. Once you have updated to the latest version, your issue will be solved. If not, make sure you restart your iPhone. Once you do that, your issue will be solved and your iPhone's alarm sound will be louder than before. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below.